Welcome to the SOAR dashboard tutorial. Today you will learn how to request your accommodations for alternate format texts, also known as audiobooks or ebooks. I will also show you how to request specific textbooks and articles for conversion for specific classes. Let's get started. Please note that before you begin requesting ebooks, you will need to have already requested your accommodations for the term. Please see our other training videos for information on how to complete this step of the process. Once you have requested your accommodations for the term, you will need to submit a request for the individual books and articles that you wish for SOAR to make accessible. You will receive an alternate formats item in your to-do list until you have completed this step. To do this, click on Alternate Formats from the link on the left side menu of your SOAR dashboard. Next, make sure to select the correct term listed on the top of the page. If you are requesting texts for a future term or need to look back at requests from a prior term, click the link to Previous Term or Next Term until you navigate to the desired term. A list of books will auto-populate from the bookstore. Please note that ebooks may be listed twice. This does not mean that you'll need multiple versions of the books. Double-check your book list with the books listed in the Barnes & Noble website or your professor's syllabus to be sure of what you'll need. RQ means required, RC means recommended, and EO means there's an ebook version available. Some ebooks are already accessible. You're welcome to purchase this version and then request remediation if you find it does not suit your needs. Once you've determined which books you'd like for SOAR to process, hit the blue Select button. Please only hit select on one version of each book. Then go to Upload Book Receipt for any textbooks you have requested. You can either upload a photo of your receipt or simply download a PDF of an online receipt. Or, if you purchase the book from a friend, you can simply upload a picture of yourself with the book instead. Select the course or courses that the receipt pertains to by clicking the corresponding checkbox and click Upload Receipt. Per U.S. copyright law, SOAR cannot release digital copies of textbooks to you without your proof of purchase. If you discover you'll need additional books or materials converted to alt text that are not listed through the bookstore, you can manually add the books or files that you need. Simply scroll down to Additional Book or Reading Materials and enter each of the texts or files that you'll need. For textbooks, please enter all the information requested below, not just those fields that are required, as this will ensure that we collect the correct version of your book. If a request is for a file shared by your professor, you'll just need to upload that file on the next screen and include the due date. The due date is the date that you would like to have the file available to read, not the date it is due in class. Once complete, click Upload Document. Now you have successfully submitted your request for ebooks. Going forward, you can check the status of your requests. The alternate formats page will list books that are in process for a particular semester, along with the status of the request. If you drop a class or discover you don't need a book after all, simply hit the Cancel Request button. This will help us get to the books you do need faster. Books that have been made available to you will be shared with you in a box folder. Simply select Download Book. Just be sure your pop-up blocker doesn't prevent box from opening. Should you need training or assistance on how to access your audiobooks, or for assistance with the SOAR dashboard, please contact the SOAR office at 864-294-2320 or email soar@furman.edu. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Happy reading!